Get the current git hash in a Python script. I would like to include the current git hash in the output of a Python script, as the version number of the code that generated that output. How can I access the current git hash in my Python script?
The git describe command is a good way of creating a human presentable version number of the code. From the examples in the documentation. With something like git.get current tree, I get, i.e. the current head of my parent branch is based on v1.0.4, but since it has a few commits on top of that, describe has added the number of additional commits, 14, and an abbreviated object name for the commit itself, 2,414,721, at the end. From within Python, you can do something like the following.
No need to hack around getting data from the git command yourself. Git Python is a very nice way to do this and a lot of other git stuff. It even has best effort support for Windows. After pip install git Python you can do something to consider when using this library. The following is taken from gitpython.rethedocs.io. Leakage of system resources. Git Python is not suited for long-running processes, like daemons, as it tends to leak system resources. It was written in a time where destructors, as implemented in the _del_ method, still ran deterministically. In case you still want to use it in such a context, you will want to search the codebase for _del_ implementations and call these yourself when you see fit. Another way assure proper cleanup of resources is to factor out Git Python into a separate process which can be dropped periodically.
This post contains a command. Greg's answer contains the subprocess command. When running, you get output.
Here's a more complete version of Greg's answer. Or, if the script is being called from outside the repo. Or, if the script is being called from outside the repo and you like pathlib.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.